Hi there, Poppin PJ here, and we're going to make a faux pallet wood Christmas tree.
I am going to use these wooden signs from the Dollar Tree to make a faux pallet wood style Christmas tree, like this one here. I will begin by making marks from the top and bottom of each board at 3/4 of an inch from the edge. And then after I do this, I will be using my ruler to connect the dots to make a straight line. I will be doing this on each board. The purpose of the line is to show the space where I want each board to overlap the other to give it a palette style look. I am now just adding some pieces of tape in the small area that is at the top of each board, so that when I connect the boards, they will stay in place so that I can draw the actual Christmas tree. Next, I am numbering the boards, and it will just make it that much easier when putting the tree together. I am finding the center point now so that I know where to start drawing the tree. I will be drawing a triangle. That's the easiest type of tree to draw, right? I am using a straight piece of wood here to connect the center point at the top of the tree to the end of the boards at the bottom of the tree. Here it is. I have untaped the boards, and since they are numbered, I will now take my jigsaw and cut the boards on the diagonal lines that make the tree. I am also cutting some strips of wood that are about the size of the space where the boards overlap, because I'm going to be making some spacers. The next step is to sand all of the pieces I just cut so that they're nice and smooth. Sanding the spacer pieces too. Now we get to put the tree together. Next, I am going to be gluing 2 strips together to make one spacer, and I will be making a few of these to put between the pieces of wood that make the tree, as they will be the connecting points for each part of the tree. Next, I will be gluing the spacers and putting them on the small space above the line, and then adding the piece of the tree that goes either above or below that to make our palette style tree. I am just using small brad nails to reinforce what I have glued. And I just snip the nails on the back side where they came through the wood a little bit. I just repeat this process by putting on the spacer, attaching it to the part of the tree that is next in line, and work my way up to the top of the tree. Snip, snip. Look how cool it's coming out. I really like it so far. If you are enjoying this video, please pop that subscribe button. One more piece to glue and nail on, and that is the top part of the tree. And to look at what we have Dollar Tree signs that actually look like a pallet wood tree. Putting some white acrylic paint in a little styrofoam bowl, and then mixing in some silver glitter. Stirring it up very well, and then erasing the numbers off of the tree that I had written for the order of the wood pieces. And we begin painting the tree with the white paint mixed with the glitter. Making sure to get the edges. It is all painted, and now we will let it dry. And because I want to do the crackling technique for this tree, I am now going to spread the Elmer's white glue on the top of the painted tree with a fairly heavy coat, as that is what will create the crackling effect. Out of glue, so I am just going to take the actual bottle of glue and just dump it here all over the pieces of wood on the tree. Again, just getting a nice thick coat of glue on top of the painted white tree. I need a little more glue. Immediately after applying the Elmer's glue, I'm going to now be putting on this gray silver paint that I'm going to mix some silver glitter with and skim it right over the top of the glue. When the paint and the glue dry, it will create a cracking effect, and you will see the white paint through the silver paint and just creates a beautiful look. Again, just skimming the paint right over the glue. Now turning it to get the edges on the other side. I am now sprinkling some green glitter all over the top of the paint here so that it will dry with the paint. Silver and green glitter. Done with the glitter, and this is what it looks like. Love that crackled effect. I will now be adding the trunk to the Christmas tree. As you can see, I have it laying here on a white piece of wood. I'm going to use this wood glue, and I have drawn a line where I want the tree to sit right at the edge of that line. Just measuring each side to ensure that I have the tree trunk in the center. I don't want to scratch up the front of the tree, but I do want to put a little weight on this so that the glue will adhere to the tree properly. And let it dry overnight. Loving this project! Cutting this piece of wood with my circular saw to make the stand for the tree. Sanding the wood block stand. I put wood glue on the stand for the back of the tree, so I have the center marked. I'm placing the wood piece just about 1/4 of an inch from the edge because I want the tree to lean back just slightly so that it will not fall. Once in place, I clamp it down. I will let this dry overnight, just ensuring that the piece of wood is centered, and wiping off the excess glue. The stand of the tree is working to keep it upright. Now time for the reveal. And here it is all done, my faux pallet wood Christmas tree. I love it. It has the silver look that I want to go with my other home decor in my family room. I got this really cool tree topper at the Dollar Tree, and also these beautiful little penguins I also got at the Dollar Tree. So it just all works together, and it's poppin'. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.